has seen my new the new course that I'm actually putting out. But I just wanted to show you guys how quickly it is to actually make money in different industries. So you guys already know that I teach IT and I teach you guys how to make $100,000 and above. But this is yet another business that I'm bringing out to you guys that I just recently just started showing you guys how to actually make some significant money if you're, let's say, in between jobs or if you're trying to replace your job or whatnot, right? So, like I keep telling you guys, you actually don't have to spend 8 hours a day just to make, $200 or whatnot. Like this right here that you see in front of you is literally like all this. So I'm just going to remove all this. So what this little, all these little things right here that you see, people literally brought this over to me, and within 2 minutes, I made $1,000 just off these, right? So these are strips, right? And just off these, all you have to do, this is literally the simplest business in the world. All you have to do is just go and pick up these boxes from people that don't want them anymore, who are going to throw these things away, and then just go pick it up and ship it out to the people that are actually going to buy it from you. And within 30 minutes after you shipped it out, you get paid. So in just this little order in 2 minutes, I made $1,000, right? So I just want to show you guys that there is yet another way for you guys to earn money. Now this is something that I just started as far as the course is concerned. I've put the course out for you guys so you guys can know exactly how to get it done. Like it gives you step by step exactly what you need to do and how to actually thrive in this. Like if you work just a little bit hard, there is no reason why you shouldn't be making between $1,000 and $2,000 a week. Easy, right? But all you got to do is just do what I asked you to do in the course, right? Just follow the steps and you should be fine. Okay, so yeah, this is just a little order right here, and if we actually come over here, I have some more things that I'm going to ship out right here that I picked up from customers, and you can see that there's some more stuff in here, and there's even some more stuff in here, right? And by the time I actually ship all that stuff out, right? That should be like a $2,000 order for the week, right? And I still have some more clients who are calling me to come pick up some of these boxes tomorrow and the end of the week. So it looks like this week it's looking like more like between a $2,000 and a $3,000 week, right? So far, all right. So, and guys, just this right here, just this little spot right here, that right there is about $600 right there. This is $600 right here that somebody came to my office and dropped it off for me and just put $600 in my pocket just like that, right? And this happens all the time. Okay, so guys, for those of you who are interested, all you simply have to do is just go to boxflippers.com. That's BOXFLIPPERS.com. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Just click on it. Just go to the course, and just learn all about it, guys. It's $3.99, guys. For the potential for you to make between $1,000 a week the first month that you start, it's a no-brainer, right? So, guys, anything that I put out is legit. So, all you guys who've been following me for years, doing this IT thing, you guys know that I put out legit material. My websites are legit, and the way I teach is legit. So, why wouldn't I bring you some legit stuff when it comes to flipping boxes? This is literally the easiest business that I can think of. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Talk to you soon.